Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make $100 every single day. This is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end. This is not something like a get rich quick scheme. This is something in which is a genuine method with which you can earn money. But you need to make a little of commitment and work consistently for almost next 3 to 6 months. After that, you can definitely make $100 every single day with this particular method, and this method works worldwide. Anyone can do it. Almost a 10-year-old or even a 100-year-old person can do this method. It is really interesting and really easy to make money with this method. All you need to do is just put in your 10 to 20 minutes every single day to do this work, and this will pay you the fruits afterwards. So watch this video till the end. I will show you all the steps which you require to earn money with this method. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you really want to make some money online as soon as possible. So the first thing you have to do is search this YouTube channel on this YouTube that is called Daily Motive Web. Okay, let's search this YouTube channel and let's open. So this is something a YouTube channel which creates particular types of videos. Okay, so you can see that the videos on this channel are really simple. They are simple quotation. So what you can see, this there is a simple background on this video, and you can see what is there in this video. It's just like people have put in some text. There is an image in the background, and what they are doing is they are just copying this stuff from some of the articles, or they may have written this article by themselves and just they are posting it on this video, this text in the form of a video over this. Okay, so what you can do is you can replicate this channel. You can do what this channel is doing over here, and how you are going to do it is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch this video till the end. Okay, so now we will see that this channel is a pretty big channel. It's got 153,000 subscribers. Now let's see how much money this channel is making. So let's go to Social Blade, and we'll see what type of earning this channel is doing. Now let's paste the name of the channel and see how much this channel makes, because this is not really a very big channel or not a really small channel, but it's really making some decent amount of money every single day, which we will check out from here. So now let's check in how much money this channel is making. So you can clearly see that this channel is making almost $108 to $2,000 every single month. So this is the amount of money you can earn. You can even earn more than this, because this channel is really getting some good amount of views, and what Social Blade shows you is a really small figure, but in reality this channel is almost making $3,000 to $4,000 a month really easily, because this channel is based on something which has a really good CPM rate. So this channel is making probably $3 for every 1,000 views, and they are earning pretty more than this what the Social Blade is showing. So you can just get over a rough estimate on this website. Okay, now how you are going to create this type of videos that this channel has created. Okay, to create this type of videos, there are two ways. The first way is to create this type of videos all by yourself, and I'm gonna show you how you can create all these videos by yourself. Okay, there are two methods to do it. The first method to create this type of videos is using the online software which is known as Content Samurai. Okay, so the first method to create this type of videos is to use this software which is known as Content Samurai. Okay, so in Content Samurai you can upload any of the articles, and this Content Samurai software will create that article into a video. So it is really easy to use and really a simple one. But it has a 7-day free trial. I'll give a link in the description from which you can sign up for Content Samurai. But it is a paid method, so you just have to pay some $49 every single month if you really want to use Content Samurai for this stuff. So it is a paid software. Now I'll be showing you the free method with which you can create this type of videos really easily and really simply. So to create this type of videos, you need to download this software which is known as OpenShot. Okay, OpenShot Video Editor to your computer. Okay, now we'll be opening this software. Let's open it and I will show you the entire thing how you can create this type of video. So I have already placed this video over here. Okay, so this is the video, okay, which we are going to edit. And to just edit this video, just drag this video over here, and you can see that this video is dragged over here. Now to add the text, you just need to press Ctrl T, and you can select any of the templates over here which are available, and you can add text to this videos. Okay, so I have already created one text for this video, so I will be just drag and dropping that text on this video. So here is the text already created, and now we are dragging this on this video. Okay, so let's play it. How to make money on. So okay, so this is the text. Okay, so let this text get here. Okay, so here's the text of the video. So what you have to do is just place the video on one of the tracks and just place the text on one more of the track. From this you can tilt and drag and more if you want to increase the length of the text, okay, as much as you want. Okay, and now you can edit the text just by clicking here and pressing the right button and edit title. Then you can edit the text whatever is written over here. After that, you have created a video just like this where you are going to get this clips, okay, this copyright free clips. This is something which I just forgot to show you, so I will be showing you. Okay, so let me show you from where you will be getting these clips. So pixabay.com, and just go to pixabay.com, and where you can find this type of videos absolutely for free. So just go to pixabay.com and click here on videos, and you can find all these royalty free videos on this which you can use in your videos, and you won't ever get any copyright strike because these all are royalty free videos. So you can just download videos from this website. Okay, so you can get this type of videos which I have currently used in this. Okay, and you need to post a music. Okay, just take the music from here, drag it in one of the tracks, and your video is ready with the music, with the title and whatever you want. Okay, so we are creating a bit of better video because this video has got a stock video behind it. So this video seems to be a little more attractive. Okay, this will increase your watch time. Okay, now now you just have to click this red button and you can export this video. Now you have to just name this video whatever you want to name it. Just select the file path, just select the whatever type of video you want to create from this. Okay, so just select the format over here. So all these formats are available, and just select what frame rates or in what quality you want the video. So just I recommend that you should create use this 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, and then you just have to hit export button and your video will be exported. Once your video is exported, you can just go to YouTube, create a new channel and start uploading this type of videos to your channel. Eventually your some of videos will get viral, but to get your videos viral you have to stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success in this method, so you just have to stay consistent. Once you start gaining some of the audience, you can also provide affiliate links in the description of the video, and you can start earning money with affiliate marketing also with this method. So this is also really something interesting. You don't only earn with ad revenue, but also you earn money with affiliate marketing, utilizing this really easy, simple method to make some real money online. So if you like this video, if you find this type of content interesting, then just press the like button as well as press the subscribe button, which is right below in this video. Also, there is a comment section. Just write whatever your suggestions are in that comment sections. And also check out other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, how to earn money, do affiliate marketing, and all that good stuff which can earn you some real money online. All this interesting stuff is available on my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.